Hey everyone, welcome to Drury Plaza. This is one of the hotels that's located in the Disney Springs area. I personally think that this is a great option in terms of location if you want to stay on property but not really on property. This is one of those gray areas that we've talked about before. Anyway, we'll talk a little bit more about that later, but right now let's take a look at this room. This is room 718. When you step into this room, you have a living room, like a living area. This is a king suite, I believe it's called. And so there's plenty of room in here to spread out and relax. This living area is pretty big. It isn't a full kitchen. It's just kind of a wet bar so that you can prepare light bites and have drinks in here. You can see there is a very small sink. Nothing down here, but a little bit of room for storage. There is a small drink cooler and a microwave as well. This is not a drawer. It looks like it, but it isn't. We also have a coffee maker with some coffee and coffee fixings. Of course, we've got our television remote, ice bucket, pretty big size television, which is nice. And you can enjoy that TV from this couch. This is a pretty big couch. Lots of space to stretch out. I do like the shape of it. It does look cozy, like you could really enjoy just lounging, which is nice. Usually the couches are rather small. And there are these ottomans under here as well, so you can kick your feet up, which is nice. Big coffee table, and then a small end table over there, and another light. Some nice artwork on the wall. Now if we go this way, it leads into our bathroom. This bathroom is pretty big, good size. It's really beautiful. I believe that this hotel is new, so it definitely looks and feels new. Lots of space down here to put all of your stuff. Trash can. There's also this really big vanity, which is nice. Only one sink, but plenty of space to spread out. Got the toilet over here, which is in a nice open space, which is nice compared to some of the other places we've stayed. It doesn't feel crammed in here at all. And then our walk-in shower. I do like that this walk-in shower does have the control over here, so you don't have to get wet when you turn it on, which is a huge plus. We've seen some places that have the control over here and it's like a disaster. So this is good. We've also got some nice artwork on the wall, which is pretty cool. It's just some basic prints, but it does feel nice, which I like. And then before we head into the bedroom, we do have another vanity area over here. So sink, plenty of space, mirror. So lots of space to get ready, both in the bathroom and right here, which is nice. Next up we have the bedroom. So this suite has a king bed in it. I do like that there's plenty of space on either side of the bed to get in and out of bed. We talk about this everywhere we go, so that's nice. There's a nightstand on either side of the bed as well as a light. There's also a light there on the wall, but I did notice something right here. It looks like we have an alarm clock with charging ports, which is great. Looks like we got a speaker there. I wonder if it's just a radio. I think it is just a radio, but would be cool if it was Bluetooth. I don't know, wishful thinking, I suppose. Got nice storage over here. Then if we turn this way, tons of storage in this room. This dresser, three really deep drawers, which is nice. And I think, does this open as well? Looks like it ought to, but it doesn't. So not as much storage as it looks like, but those drawers are still pretty big, and lots of space up here to lay out your things. More artwork right there. Television, as well as a desk, which is great. And look at that. The desk does have more charging ports available, which is fantastic too, that it's up on top so you don't have to like get on your hands and knees to try and make that work, you know? Got a mirror over here, and there's a full-length mirror over here that is also a closet. So even more space available, extra sheets, or bedding in general, I suppose. An iron, place to hang your stuff, as well as an ironing board and a safe. Over here on the other nightstand, there's also more charging available, which again, fantastic. We love that. And then this room in particular has not only a beautiful view, but a fireworks view. So right here, as you can kind of see, we're looking out over Disney Springs. Right there in the middle of your screen is Disney Springs. You can kind of see Cirque du Soleil. And then if we turn this way, right there in the middle of your screen is the area right between Epcot and Hollywood Studios. So we should be able to see those harmonious fireworks tonight. I'm looking forward to checking that out. This room does not have a balcony. We've just got a window, but we also do have a view of the pool and the little splash pad. I will say this is pretty impressive. We'll talk a little bit more about this in a separate video where we talk more about the resort itself, but lots of space to hang out and just enjoy being at this resort, which is really great. Last but not least, let's take a look at these control panels over here. I always love showing you guys this stuff so you know what to expect if you plan on staying here. I admit, when we were at Brian's Spanish Cove, I forgot to take a look at this. I apologize for that. Also, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But let's take a good look at this now, because I know so many of you are always wondering how easy it is to work this. This seems pretty easy. You only have two options, really. Definitely great, definitely easy to work, easy to use. Not much else to say there. But yeah, that's a quick look at this room here at Drury Plaza over in the Disney Springs area. There are a few other things you need to know about this resort compared to other Drury resorts. So this one does have a later check-in time at 4 o'clock as opposed to 3, which is important to know. There's also some other stuff that you can do just here at the resort. There are a lot of perks to staying here, but like I said, we'll talk about that some other time. For now though, let me know what you think. Do you like this room? Is this the type of place where you could see you and your family staying? Let us know in a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can hear what we think of this hotel in a future video. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.